Truck's still dirty from the previous video. No point in cleaning it because I'm going off-roading this Sunday to Logandale, Nevada. Man, look at that stance, bro. Jesus. So I got some more parts that came in today. Nothing too crazy. These pieces right here, you know, to prevent the bed from tweaking or flexing or whatever. So these are going to be mounted like this. Just simple modifications that will save me a lot of money down the road. Excuse the truck, it's very dirty. But I've had some people ask me about my stance. So they're 17 by 9, 33 by 12 and a half, 17 with a 1.5 inch spacer. Got the SPC upper control arms with the rough country step with the added 1 inch spacer. It's temporary setup, but it works. Just the basics, you know, TRD Pro style front grille, you know, the yellow fog lights, 3K HID, 8K ice blue HID. You know, it's not a tow truck. I do get it dirty. If you guys have any other questions about the vehicle, what I have planned down the road, let me know. You know, like the video, subscribe. I'm not trying to make no money off YouTube, just trying to show you guys what I'm doing with my truck. Got a couple little scratches, but nothing crazy. These little scratches right here can buff out, you know, a little. It's nothing. I am gonna be doing the chop right here. I do get a little bit of rubbing, but it's only when I make sharp turns. Nothing crazy. Probably gonna do the Viper cut. And I got some rock sliders coming pretty soon. Haven't decided with what brand I'm going with. Maybe a roof rack with very minimal recovery gear. Nothing crazy. I'm not too big on the overland stuff. So we'll see how it goes. But stay tuned for my new video on Sunday at the Logandale Trails. Should be pretty cool. All right, guys, peace.